Hello students, today we will discuss about this question. In this question, we need to consider a following problem, that is a box with an open top that is to be constructed from a square piece of cardboard that is 3 feet wide. So here W that is equals to 3 feet, and by the cutting out squares from each of the four corners, the bending up the sides and find the largest volume that such a box can have. So here first of all, for the part A, we will draw several diagram to illustrate the situation, and so therefore and then find the volume of several such boxes. And in part B, we need to draw a diagram illustrating the general situation and let X that denote the length of the side of the square that being cut. So here at X that will be the length